guys, right now we're just waiting for a bus. So, we're gonna go to a mall and are we gonna go to a train or not, guys? I don't know. But, come on, let's go. Let's go, follow me. Okay. We're just gonna stay there. And I'm just gonna go. I'd like to get my really money, so I'm never gonna put my shoes in the dirty mud. So let's go. Go see bus. Now I'm a sandals. Oh my God! I actually see the bus. Hey guys, careful! Don't get. Oh guys, look, we're in the end of the train. I mean, not the train. I mean the bus. So look out here. I can make you much more space. See? Look. Okay, sorry guys. So here we are. Here is we are. So guys, here it is, and right now we're just stopping a bit. So guys, let's go in. I'm just looking at the window. 1 second. I'm gonna talk to you maybe later, guys. So I'm just gonna look out here and then I'm gonna talk to you. Okay, guys?
Next stop, Centennial Road.
and bus station, if you want to call it like that. But every people is here. Do you know, guys? Because this is the last stop. So we're Come on, guys, over here. Hey, we're here. So now we're gonna go on number 2. This is gonna be very exciting, guys. Whoa, whoa! It scared me. That almost got me a heart attack. Oh my god, we're on number 2. Level 2. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Hold on, wait. Let's go now. Okay. So, guys, let's go. Oh my god. This is so cool. Like, exit. Incoming. Oh my god. So fast. We're rushing for because of our train. There's like a tiny train. I just saw a person just sitting here alone. We're looking for food. So guys, I don't know. But let's go, guys. I'm very scared of this. So I'm gonna go on this. Oh my god. Wait. On an elevator. I don't know how to call it, but guys. Wait for me, guys. Okay, coming. Oh. Yeah, I love it. That was kind of scary. That was so scary. Guys, so we're going here to a train station. Yeah, the train got the train. What are trains? Can we go? Okay. So look, there is train. Here is a train. Don't go on the river or you're gonna. Don't do that. Just be very careful. I'm kind of scared. I'm actually kind of scared. Yeah, about that. I'm so scared, guys. Yeah. We're under the train. So guys, this is a train station. I'm kind of creeped out against the wall. Look, every people are walking around. So don't worry, it's fine. Just kidding, guys. Kind of around here. It looks to be there. It's so pretty. Is there a train gonna arrive? I'm so confused, guys. Careful, don't touch those buttons. Don't touch them. Okay, guys, careful. If you're in the train station like this, don't press any buttons if you don't know what they do. Okay, guys? Listen to your parents. Yeah. Okay? Don't press the blue one or the red one. Because the red one is for only a little bit. So guys, remember the reading video? Yeah. Remember the cute little elves? Remember the cute little chicken? Oh my god, our train's coming, guys. God, I'm very excited. That's the day. Thank you. guys, look, it's a train. Careful, guys, we're in a train.
Please stand clear of the doors.
We stand clear of doors. Okay, I'm gonna get us over here. Yes. Come on, guys. Oh, yeah, sorry. Ew.
Next station is York Mills. York Mills Station.
Oh no, we're going. I'm so freaked out right now. I'm super freaked out. Like a darkness. Darkness is scary. Yes. Super scary. I want to go out here. I'm gonna be guys. Right now with this standing I want to standing up.
Arriving at York Mills. York Mills Station. Doors will open on the left.
On the left? Your bills. On the left. On the left. We got that's the left, right? Yeah, that's the left. Yeah, we got it. That's the left. I'm so out of this. Haha,
Please stand clear of the doors. Next station is Lawrence. Lawrence Station.
I'm super scared because I'm super
board your car. Please stand clear of the doors.